In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Figma design into Squarespace. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The very first step in this process is to go to your Figma projects. Once you're there, you'll be excited to see all your designs. Figma is a fantastic tool for creating web layouts and prototypes, and integrating it into your Squarespace site can really elevate your online presence. Now, once you're in Figma, your next step is to click on the Share button. This is usually located in the top right corner. After you click on that, look for the option that says Get Embed Code. Once you find it, just click on it and a code snippet will pop up. Go ahead and copy that code because we're going to need it in a bit. The third step is to move over to your Squarespace site. This is where the magic happens. Start by adding a new block to your page. In Squarespace, you'll see an option that says Add Blank, so go ahead and click on that. It's a straightforward step, but this is where we're laying the foundation for integrating your Figma design. Next, after you've added your new block, it's time to click on the Embed option. This will allow you to insert the code that you copied from Figma. Just a quick tip, make sure you're selecting the proper area on your Squarespace page where you want your Figma design to show up. Now, we are almost there. In the embed block that you just created, you'll see a field that asks for a code snippet. This is where you'll paste the code you copied from Figma earlier. Just click in the box and paste it in. Simple, right? You're doing great so far. Finally, once you've pasted the code, your design will appear on the screen. It's as thrilling as it sounds. Once it's there, you can continue designing and adjusting your site as you wish. This integration not only adds a unique interactive element to your Squarespace site, but it also allows you to showcase your design in a visually appealing way. To recap, we started by accessing our Figma project. Then we got the embed code, moved to Squarespace to create a new block, selected the embed option, pasted our code, and voila! Your Figma design is now live on your Squarespace site. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us continue creating useful content for you. If you have any questions or run into any issues while following these steps, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm here to help. Now go ahead and enhance your Squarespace site with those beautiful Figma designs. Happy designing!